In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in Udemy account. By the end, you'll be signed in using your Google account and ready to continue learning without any confusion. First, open your preferred web browser and head to udemy.com. Give the page a second to load, then look toward the top right corner of the homepage. You'll see a login button there. If you're on a phone or tablet, you might need to tap the menu icon first to reveal the login option. Go ahead and select Login to open the sign-in page. On the login screen, you'll notice several ways to access your account. For this walkthrough, choose Continue with Google. This option uses Google's secure sign-in, which means you won't type your Google password directly on Udemy. Instead, Google safely confirms your identity and sends that confirmation back to Udemy. After you click Continue with Google, a Google window will appear showing the accounts currently signed in on your device. Select the Google account that's linked to your Udemy profile. If you don't see the right one listed, choose the option to use another account and enter the email for the account you use with Udemy. If you're using a work or school Google account, make sure it's allowed to sign in to external services. Some organizations restrict this. Once you pick the correct account, follow any on-screen prompts. You may be asked to enter your Google password or complete two-step verification. That's normal and helps keep your account secure. When you finish, you'll be redirected back to Udemy automatically. You'll know you're logged in when you see your profile icon or name at the top right of the page and your personalized recommendations on the homepage. If something doesn't work the first time, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your browser allows pop-ups and third-party cookies for Google and Udemy, since blocking them can prevent the Google window from opening or completing the sign-in. If the wrong Google account keeps showing up, sign out of Google in your browser or switch accounts in the Google Chooser, then try again. Keeping your browser updated and temporarily disabling strict tracker blockers can also help resolve stubborn login issues. That's it. You clicked Login, chose Continue with Google, and selected the correct account. You're now signed in and ready to pick up your courses exactly where you left off. If you're on a shared device, remember to sign out when you're done to keep your account secure. Thanks for watching and enjoy your learning.